welcome back to Komal's Kitchen. Today I am showing you something that I make at least once a month in my house. हर सालगिरह पे, हर एनिवर्सरी पे मेरी या तो भाभी या अम्मी या दोस्त ये डिश रिक्वेस्ट करती है. It is super super delicious and it is called the double crusted chicken pie. Alrighty then, the first thing that I'm going to show you is what to do with the chicken. मैंने chicken legs की bones निकाल के अपनी अम्मी से कहा है कि आज रात मैं यखनी पीऊँगी तो वो bones जो हैं they've been put to good use. And we're going to do little nice cubes of it, like bite-sized cubes. And if you come close to me, then I will show you exactly how to do it. Just slice it like a tender. So now these look like chicken fingers or chicken tenders. And you just cube and cube. Alright, so we are going to be using about पौने 1 kilo, 725 grams of chicken. You can do 750 grams, it's completely okay. And I have cubed them personally myself, cut it myself, just to show you what to do. Now all you need to do is put on a large stock pot like this, and then I'm going to add about 50 to 60 grams of butter. And वैसे usually अच्छे good quality butters में इस तरह की लाइनें होती हैं, so you don't really need to measure out the butter. You can literally just align these lines with your butter like this and take out 20, 40, 60 grams. That is exactly what I'm going to do. This is about 60 grams right here, right? वैसे तो मुझे exactly पता है कि मुझे कितना काटना है, but दिखाने के लिए आपको ये कर रही हूँ. And then butter का burning temperature बहुत low होता है. We don't want to burn our butter. So to increase the temperature, we're going to add a glug of extra virgin olive oil just on the butter like that, right? And इससे आपका जो butter है वो melt होने के process में जलेगा नहीं. हमने medium high पे रखा हुआ है इसको, और इसी में हम जो है वो 1 कप प्याज डाल देंगे. प्याज को मैंने finely chop किया हुआ है, very finely chopped. We don't want big chunks of onion in our chicken pie. Onions जो हैं वो translucent हो चुकी हैं, and at this point I'm going to add a heaped teaspoon of chopped garlic, finely chopped garlic. Again, give it a bit of a stir. इसको 1 मिनट तक थोड़ा सा भूनने दें garlic को, and then we are going to add our मुर्गी. Right, 1 मिनट हो गया है, and we are going to pop in our chicken. Make sure now at this point you are on high because we don't want to make this a stew. We want to make this just quickly. हम चाह रहे हैं कि chicken seal हो जाए, तो हम उसको high पे कर देंगे ताकि chicken जल्दी से seal हो जाए. So you can see ये chicken जो है ये nice and opaque हो चुकी है. At this point we are going to take 2 cans of mushroom and we're going to slice them thickly, alright, ताकि मुंह में feel हो mushroom. Now I cannot find fresh mushrooms anywhere, so I'm using canned, but if you find fresh mushrooms, please use them. I've used about 1.5 cups of fresh, or 2 cups of fresh mushrooms, or 2 cans of canned mushrooms, thickly sliced. Okay. Tip. Make sure all the water is dry before you start adding your herbs and spices, because we don't want those pani dar canned mushrooms में और chicken का जो पानी है, we don't want that smell and that taste in our pie. So dry it out completely. तो जब तक हमारा पानी dry हो रहा है, हम थोड़ी सी carrots prepare करेंगे. Now carrots, peas, potatoes, totally up to you what veggies you like in your chicken pie. The reason I like carrots is because carrots एक हल्की सी मिठास ऐड कर देते हैं to all that savory in our chicken pie. And हम ज़्यादा छोटा नहीं काटेंगे carrots को because we do want to see that beautiful color in our pie. And हम ज़्यादा मोटा भी नहीं करेंगे. We don't want like big lumps. So come over here and see the size that I'm cutting it. Kind of like वो जो frozen peas and carrots का जो एक bag आता है ना, उस size की मैं carrots काट रही हूँ. I'm literally just gonna cut 2 carrots. So as you can see, काफ़ी dry हो चुका है हमारा पानी. At this point, we're going to add our 2 large carrots that we chopped. right? Give it a bit of a stir. See, it adds such a nice vibrant color, and it will also add a lovely sweetness to our pie. Okay? And at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of maida, 2 tablespoons of flour, and I'm going to sprinkle it on this mix. 2 minute हो गए हैं, मेरा मैदा अच्छे से बुन गया है. What I have done now is in 3 cups of hot water, मैंने एक pot में रखा था और 2 कनौर के chicken stock cubes को मैंने उसको melt कर दिया था, like this. We are going to take our 3 cups that is in here, and we are going to pour it into our maida, and we are going to, as soon as we pour it in, this is quite hot, okay, it's not cold, तो इसका temperature को ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. We immediately start stirring it ताकि हमारा जो flour है वो अच्छे से इसमें incorporate हो जाए, and ये बहुत जल्दी आप देखिएगा within 5 minutes nice and thick हो जाएगा. I'll see you in 5. So we're going to add 2 teaspoons of dried thyme. If you can find fresh thyme, good for you. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of mustard powder. 1 and 2. We're going to add 2 heaped teaspoons of paprika. Heap, heap, heap. Heap, heap, heap. Make sure this is not hot paprika. Just your regular paprika will do. And we're going to add lots of freshly milled black pepper. आपकी चिकन तैयार हो चुकी है. I prefer a thick, creamy, rich filling. And at this point, we're going to add 1 200 ml box of cream. ठीक है, ये पूरा बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी. There we go, all out. And give it a quick stir. Alright, इस क्रीम को उबाल पे नहीं लाना है, सिर्फ इसको मिक्स करना है इतना और हीट इतना करना है कि ये ब्लेंड हो जाए इसके फ्लेवर्स. And at this point I am going to taste it and see whether it needs any salt. That looks so rich and delish. Rich and delish. It's perfect. So now on a floured surface, this is going to need a little bit of explaining. मैंने एक 7 inch by 9 inch की pie dish ली है oven safe. ठीक है, we are going to roll this out so that ये इतना बड़ा हो कि ये इसके edges जो हैं वो pastry पूरी cover कर ले. मैं double crusted pie बना रही हूँ. अगर आपको इतना ज़्यादा buttery pastry नहीं चाहिए, maybe you're trying to save a little bit on calories, then you can even just put the filling and put the pastry on top and you're good to go. So butter generously, and my hands just literally have flour on it. I just washed them, so don't worry about the cleanliness of my hands. And then we're going to put a little bit of flour, and we're going to just shake it all about like this and make sure it's nice and floured. ठीक है? And then take our beautiful pastry, flop it on top like this. Just make sure that the edges are covered. Beautiful! Now we're going to take this. We're going to bring our filling over. Give it a quick one last stir. Just make sure we've got all the sides out. And all that yummy goodness is going to go into our. So in order to get a nice thick pastry, we will leave it a bit thick. Give it a tap of flour. Roll it out. Alright, this looks like it is done. We are just going to cover our pie with this flap. Like this. Push it in the edges. इसको नीचे नीचे गिरा गिरा के आप अपनी उंगली से यूं press कर दें. And then you take a fork and just crimp the edges like this. Right, so now with my knife, I'm going to give it a little bit of a slice all the way through, all the way through, all the way through, all the way through. And then the most important thing is we're going to give it a nice basting of egg wash. And all egg washes is 1 beaten egg and a splash, 1 tablespoon of water. अगर आप egg wash नहीं देंगे तो आपकी pastry जो है वो golden brown नहीं होगी. So this is quite important, I feel. Alright, we are all done with our beautiful egg base. I'm going to come back to my oven here and I've preheated this oven 250 degrees. It depends on how well your oven works. Mine is pretty slow, though, mine is pretty weird. So, मैं इसको अंदाज़े से करती हूँ हमेशा. I'm so sorry about that. I'm going to slide that in. Now, keep a watch on its crust. अगर crust आपकी जल्दी golden brown होती है, all you need to do is cover with a foil. But this needs to bake in the oven until the bottom crust is done, which should take about 30 to 40 minutes. Alright, so our chicken pie, let's take a look. Yes, it is done. It looks beautiful, nice and golden. Yay! I am so happy with the results despite my oven being a very iffy. This is quite cool now, so I'm just going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to cut it and put it on a plate and hopefully it will not nakataun. Okay, so here we go. Nice and crispy. And this looks simply scrumptious. I'm going to try a little bite. Take some of that pasty crust, some of my mushroom, a little piece of the chicken. That was my happy dance. This is 12 out of 10. The pastry is nice and flaky. The filling is rich and flavorful. Chicken is moist and juicy. You guys must try this at home. I promise you it'll be a dinner party super hit.